Okay, I'm going to show you how everything's done in Atvee, base Atvee. First I'm going to show you how it's done in base 10, just regular old math. You do 12 times 12, anybody can do that. It's pretty easy to do. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 plus 2 times 1 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. There you go. Now, if you wanted to do, for example, 145, and let's just say you wanted to multiply that by 145, you want to square it. Well, you got we got 5 times 5, which is 25. Bring 25 down. You got 4 times 5 plus 4 times 5, with two 20s, which is 40. You got the 0 there. Carry the 4. Then you got 5 times 1 plus 5 times 1, so that's 2 5s, which is 10, plus 4 times 4, which is 16. 10 plus 16 is 26, if I'm not mistaken. So you bring the 2 here, and you bring down the 6, which becomes a 0. And then you got 4 times 1 plus 4 times 1. You got 2 of them, which is 8, 9, 10. So you carry the 1. Then you got 1 times 1, which is that. And so what you should have there is 2. It actually should be 1, 0, 2, 5. I almost got it right, but I kind of messed up a little bit there because I did it before. Now in base 120, we would do the same thing, except things would be a little bit different looking. These aren't 2s or 4s. These are actually 25s, which are followed by 1s in the 120 place. So essentially what you would be doing is you do 1 times 1. These are 1s here. So you do 1 times 1, which essentially is 1. But then you got these characters here that look like 2s, but they're actually 24s, and they have 1s hanging from them, which makes them 25. But you got 24 times 24 that you would have to do. But first, what we're going to do is we're going to do 24 times 1 and 24 times this 1. And so 2 24s are what? We got 48, right? Then we're going to do the the 24 times the 24, which is going to end up being, it's going to end up looking like this. Essentially is what it's going to look like. And then you're going to have 1 times 25 plus 1 times 25, which of course equals 50. And what 50 basically is it's Ocean is 50, Aushan is what we call it. Then we got 1 times 1, which is 1. And essentially, this is a big number here, but what it is it's meant to equal 25. But what I got to do, let's see, we're going to do 1 plus 48 plus that, which is actually 96. And so what we're going to do here, 8 plus 7 is 15. So you carry that 1 here, and then you have 9 plus 5, which is 14. That's 145, but if we remember what 145 looks like, we actually would bring down the 125 right here, and we would carry 1. So we bring this 1 over here, and so we got Aushan plus Rav plus At, and we put all this together, and what it essentially becomes is Iowek, which is 55, and then we bring the 1 down. And essentially what this is Atus, Iowek, and then what is it? Akat, right? So that's Atus, Iowek, Iowek V, right, if I wrote it down, I could remember it better, but that's how math is in base Atvee.